Hope all of you are safe and doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Travel Diaries with Addy. Thank you so much for watching my first two videos on Muscat City and two beautiful destinations which we covered in it. We will continue our quest in Oman to explore some exciting and new destinations around Muscat, which we can cover in a day's time. In this episode, we'll cover three popular spots which are at a distance of less than 1 hour's drive from Muscat. The first one is Kantab Beach, the second one is Iti Beach, and the third one is a very beautiful and scenic spot called Bandar Khairan. So let's begin the journey. Muscat is the capital of Sultanate of Oman. It is a coastal city in the Gulf of Oman. We will start our journey to Kantab Beach from Matra area of Muscat. Distance between Kantab Beach to Iti Beach is around 18 kilometers. From Iti Beach, we'll take another 20 minutes to reach to our last spot, Bandar Khairan. We started our journey and now we are passing through the famous Wadi Kabir area. You can see the vast expanse of greenery on both sides of the road. The area has a very nice view surrounded by mountains. Muscat does not have many tall structures or high-rise buildings like its neighboring nations. Usually building heights are 6 to 7 floors. We are now moving from the city towards the highway. The roads are very good to drive on and you feel as if you are gliding. After about 20 minutes drive, we reached near the Kantab village. You can already view the sea as we were approaching the village. The beach is already in sight now. We parked our car and headed straight towards the beach. This is the famous Kantab beach. You can see the water is so clear and so green. We will now head towards that small cliff from where we will show you the full view of this beach. From the top of this hill you can see how beautiful is this place. That's the area of the beach from where we came. You can see those small fishing boats. That's the place from where we entered the beach. Let me show you a panoramic view of this place. Some people have got their personal chairs to sit, relax and enjoy the beauty and breeze of this beach. I'll now show you a small hidden beach which is on the other side of this cliff. Here comes the best view of the Kantab beach. You can see the different shades of green. The view is so beautiful that you will have to come and see it to believe it. Here are some pictures that will give you a broader perspective of this place. Let's move to our next destination, the ET Beach. It's about 20 minutes drive from Kantab Beach. There are two sides of this beach, the rocky side and the sandy side. Right now we are at the rocky side of the beach. It's a popular spot for camping and fishing. You can zoom and view the famous Al Jissa Shangri-La Hotel from here. This is the other sandy side of the ET Beach. You can see the pristine golden sands of the beach. Look how the color has changed from the other side of the beach. So this was the picturesque ET Beach. We will now move towards our last attraction, Bandar Khairan Viewpoint. It's another 20 minutes drive from the ET Beach. It's a popular destination among the tourists. Popular for various activities like fishing, trekking, bird watching and camping. It's a must visit for any tourist who is visiting Muscat City. With this, we come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, subscribe and share your views about this video.